Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT if you are a blogger. Even if you are a complete beginner, this tutorial is for you. I will be covering one of the powerful methods with the example prompts to help you write smarter and faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on chatgpt.com and you need to create your free account over here. In the method 1, you can generate the blog post ideas with the help of ChatGPT. For example, you can simply type this type of prompt over here, like give me 10 blog post ideas for the niche, and here you can type, let's say, finance, and then hit the enter button. Over here it is going to take some time and shows you these ideas, so you can select any one of these, and after that you can simply just write this prompt that says, now write a 700 word of blog post based on this outline. You can also first generate the outline. For that, you can give this prompt, that is, write a full blog post outline for this particular title. You can copy the title from here just like so, and then you can paste it over here. Now it is going to generate the outline for you. Then you can simply type the prompt which says, now write 700 word of blog post based on this outline. Now it is going to be taking some time, and it is going to write the complete blog post for you. After the blog post is done, you can ask it, like, turning this blog post into 3 Instagram captions, which is perfect for promoting your content across the platforms without starting from the scratch. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to speed up your blogging in 2025, even if you are a complete beginner. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.